A very good morning. This is Ruhani on the behalf of Matrid Technologies, welcoming you all to a learning session of nopCommerce. In today's video, we are going to discuss that how can we enable and manage the wish list for our nopCommerce store. Wish list, they are the place where the customers they save their desired products for the later purchases. Let's see our public store first here. We are going to have a quick overview that how wishlist work for a customer. Okay, so I'm going to have this instance of Apple iCam here. We can see our add to wishlist button. Click on this. The product has been added to the wishlist. We can see here the wishlist quantity have been updated. Let's go to the wishlist page. Here we see our selected product of Apple iCam. So you can add this product to the shopping cart page by ticking on this checkbox next to add to cart and add to cart button. You have to click on this button as well. Okay. Or you can remove this product from the wish list by clicking on this checkbox and update the wish list. Okay. Now the wish list it can be shared with your family or the friends as well by simply using a email a friend or by sharing the wish list URL. Now, an amazing fact to be shared here is that when a customer they select the same product but with the different colors for their wish list, it will be added as separate quantities. But if we add the same product with the same color multiple times, the product will appear once in wish list, but its quantity it will be updated the number of times the product was added. Let me show you that with an instance. Let me remove it from here to give you a clear vision. So let's go and select something from shoes. Okay, I'm going to take example of Adidas Consortium Campus. Here we have three colors here. Okay, so I'm gonna select red color and I'm gonna put it on add to wish list. Just there. Okay, then I select blue, same product, different color, add to the wish list. It's there. Now third color is silver. Okay, I'm gonna put it twice to my wish list. One and two. Here we can see. Okay, let's go to the wish list page here. Now, here we can see we have our shoes with different colors. They're added as separate quantities, red and blue. But the silver color here, it is which we added twice to our wish list. It is appearing only once, but the quantity here it is reflecting as two. Okay, so now it's time to see the way to manage wish list from the admin section. So we go to the admin section here. We will select the configuration menu and we go to access control list. Here, access control list, it is the list of the permission which is attached with different customer roles. From here we can control the enabling and disabling of the wish list for the various customer roles. Okay, so we can tick in the checkbox of the respective customer role to which we wish to enable the use of wish list. Okay, however, for instance, if we tick off the checkbox of the guest customers they won't be able to add the products to the wish list. So I'm going to keep it, I'm going to disable it for guest customers. I'm going to save it. Okay, now we log out from the admin section and let's have some product. For an instance, we take any product. We can take Apple iCam again. Okay, we can take this. Here, we are not able to see the add to wish list button here now, right? So let's log in into the admin panel again. 2.1.0 gmail.com. Okay, here. Now when we move to here, let's select any product. Again, here we can see add to wish list button. It is appearing. So this is the way you can enable the disable the wish list button for the various customer roles. Now let's see how we manage the settings of the wish list from the admin panel. So let's go to the administration section. Yeah. Go to the configuration menu, click on the settings and select shopping cart settings. Now the toggle switch we will be using is of advanced, okay, and we move to the section of wish list here. Okay, now starting from the given fields, the maximum wish list items, the maximum number of distinct products which are allowed to be added to the wish list. We are selecting this as 10 for our instance. Okay, now show product image on the wish list. Enabling this checkbox, it will allow the product images for the wish list items. Else, when it is ticked off, it won't show, and anyhow, we are keeping it enabled for our instance. Next, we have allow the customers to email their wish list. Tick in this checkbox in case you want your customers to share their wish list by email to front option we have seen, and else you can make it disabled by ticking it off. Okay, then we're keeping it enabled. Okay, allow guests to email their wish list here. Now this will allow your guest customers as well to share their wish list only if they are enabled access for the add to wish list button from the access control list. Okay, we are keeping it disabled because guests are not able to see their wish list button on the product page, right? So allow out of stock items to be added to the wish list. Now this checkbox need to be ticked in to enable the customers to add the out of stock products to the wish list. Okay. Next we have move items from wish list to cart. You need to tick in this checkbox to enable the customers add their products from the wish list directly to the shopping cart with add to cart button. Else it can be disabled by ticking it off. Okay. Then we have display the wish list after adding a product. Now enabling this checkbox, it will direct the customers to the wish list page. However, we are keeping it disabled so that the customer, it will stay on the product page only even after adding the product to the wish list. Okay, now so this is the way we can add or manage and disable the wish list for our nopCommerce store. Still, if any queries are left or any assistance is required, kindly reach us for nopCommerce support at nop@matridtech.net. Let me highlight it for you from here. nop@matridtech.net, or you can even call us on 855-370-5507. I hope this session was helpful. So let's wrap up this video. This video was presented by Matrid Technologies. Have a great day.